is to give groceries to police officers so they wouldn't be tempted to ask for rice. Riding a heavy big bike, Mayor Duterte would usually drive around Davao City twice a week to ensure things are well taken care of. During these night patrols, he would usually check the precinct house to make sure the cops were not sleeping and to see who's in the holding cells and why. According to a Time magazine article, Duterte reportedly made a policy of doling out groceries to cops as a way of curbing their temptation to elicit bribes. However, such kindness didn't await those who were caught in the act. When did they found a cop drunk while on duty, for example, he personally dons out a thrashing.
Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a video with Camta Studio. Okay, I have a Camta and I'm import media. Yes. Import intro and like and a video. First I make intro here, then video, for example today, and then it's outro. Okay, here you must repair time 40 50. Okay, and cut here and delete this. Okay, now to like, use visual properties and click remove a color. Okay, subscribe button. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, now I want music dance electric. I put it here. Okay, and cut it. Now I will render this video. Produce and share. Okay, custom. Okay, next. Okay, just okay. Next, finish. Name. Okay, finish. Okay, thank you for watching.